Hey, I want to show something really cool today. Oftentimes, it's hard to connect developers and business analysts and what you see in a dashboard versus what you're coding with. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here in a couple minutes. So here on the left, you'll see the famous Databricks notebook, and we're going to get a data frame and run it in real time. And on the right, we're going to see Owl's data quality BI style dashboard. So let me get myself out of the way and come over here and click play. And what this would do is go out to any database or file system and grab a data frame. And then I'll run some of my favorite commands here, like show, print schema. We can see we have nice stock data ready to go. And then I would want to configure OWL. So I'm going to register it in the OWL catalog. Let me see if that came in. It looks like it finished. And I might want to search for my new data set name. So OWL underscore test.nyse1 was what I named it here, which is great. It knows that it's a Spark data frame. It's ready for me to run some analytics on it. So I can see that it generated a profile, and we can do that as easy as wrapping any data frame in owl.profile. So I'm going to kick this off and refresh the profile, and it's running now. And what we'll see over here as this finishes is the number of rows, the columns, and then all of the quality bars about nulls, empties, completeness, and distribution values. And as I scroll in, we'll see top-end distributions, histograms, box plots, min, max values. Looks like Berkshire Hathaway is trading up over $300,000 a share, but the median price on the New York Stock Exchange is about $25 a share. The profile just completed, so I can go through histogram detection, correlation analysis, strength of relationships, and explore the data further. And it's also flagging some symbols here for me. But I'll probably want to do something more advanced and check for duplicates. So here, I might want to include this line of code called dupes.df. But what I'm going to first do is use Spark as kind of an ETL language and take a slice of time out. Take just the day of the 10th, because I know we have duplicate symbols over 30 days, but I should never have a symbol that's duplicated on the same day. So in that slice of time. And here it shows me my data frame that I got back. And if I'm an ETL or a data pipeline developer, I can take this data frame and make a change in direction in the code. I can say that it passed or didn't pass, and here it doesn't pass. So let's go look at the hoot that Owl is sending us, sort of our insight and alert mechanism. And what I see here is the symbol is repeated, and that's not okay. And I might want to take action on this, annotate it to the other analysts. I may want to downtrain the model and use a feedback loop. But ultimately, I want to now run some other things. So in another line, I might want to take a slice of time out and compare today with all of the historical data frame and check for outliers. So what this is going to do is to try to kind of run against its own baseline and make predictions across both numeric and categorical anomalies. We can see that it detected the schema here. It's also going to raise concern on a few shapes that have some strange symbols in them, and allow us to mask or add quick rules to any column here if we feel we're more sensitive to that. But what we're doing is we're really connecting the code that people are writing to what the business analyst is seeing. So it looks like the outlier dimension finished. And here, if I drill in, we can see that there's actually a stock that was labeled as NASDAQ. That would not be correct on the New York Stock Exchange. And I can also see that Kodak makes a massive leap in value. So it usually has about a 5-cent variance, around $3 a share, and it jumps to $12. So while this may not be a data quality issue, it's flagging this as a very interesting observation. So in short, hope you found this exciting. This is how you can kind of write what we call one-liners and use the OWL API to connect directly in and provide feedback from the analyst.